Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business, brand or project. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com if you're not already logged in. If you're already logged in, it's good to go. Once you are logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar, click on Pages. Now click on the Create New Page button. In this section, you will need to fill out some basic information about your page. Start with the page name. This should be the name of your business or project. Next, select the category that best describe your page. For example, if you are creating a page for a coffee shop, you must choose cafe or restaurant. And if your page is about technical or tech things, then you should choose a category related to your business. Then add a description. This is where you can tell people that what your page is about, and keep it short and sweet. Now it's time to add some visuals. Click on add profile picture to upload a photo. This could be your logo or a picture that represents your brand. Next, click add cover photo to upload a larger image that will appear at the top of your page. This could be a banner or any other image that gives a good first impression. Once you have added your photos, review all the information to make sure everything looks good. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now live. But wait, there's a bit more you can do to make it awesome. To customize your page further, you can add more details like your website, phone number, and business hours, just like on Edit Page Info, and fill in the relevant sections. You can also create your first post, invite friends to like your page, and explore other features to engage with your audience. Congratulations, you have just created a Facebook page. Be sure to keep it updated with fresh content and engage with your followers regularly. You can add some bio here. But what is your page all about? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.